How to join a Zoom meeting, perhaps for your class. So at first you have to go to the website zoom.us. After going there, then when the website is loaded, click join a meeting. Then you need the meeting ID or personal link name. If you know the meeting ID, for example, we have the meeting ID here, just an example. So copy it and paste it here and then click join. Usually the website will ask you to download and run Zoom software if you do not have that. But because my computer already has the software, so if I click open Zoom meeting, then I will have the access to the software. So if you don't have downloaded or installed the software, what you can do, you can click here, or if it doesn't work, then you can click again here, and after you do that, it will allow you to download the software, and then you know how to install any software, right? So after installing that, then you will be able to join the meeting using that software. So now I am clicking open Zoom meeting because the software is already installed in my computer. Your software will look like this one. So here what you have to do, you have to click join here, then you have to click the meeting ID, paste the meeting ID or type in whatever you do, and then you have to write down your name. Okay, you should write your full name here. So if your name is, let's say, ABCDEF, okay, now you can choose any one of these. Do not connect to audio or turn off my video according to your preference, but later on you can change that. So click join, and then you will be asked for the password. So if you know the password, at this point you will key in the password here or copy and paste the password here. So if you do that, then you will get access to the meeting, and from this meeting you can switch on or off the audio. You can also click here to start the video or switch off the video. You can do that. You can look at the participants, who are the participants here, and you can also share your screen if you are allowed to do that. You can also raise your hand or just give yes, no. There are some shortcut symbols here. You can do that. Okay. You will also see a hand sign here. So if you have a question, you can raise your hand, or you can directly ask, depending on the preference of the host of the meeting. So this is how you can actually join the meeting and attend the classes. If you don't have a laptop or desktop computer, then you can download the Zoom app for your iPhone or Android phone. No problem with that. So you will see the similar interface, and using that interface you can easily attend the meeting. Thank you very much.